Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome! My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm sharing another cute and aesthetic manicure with you. This is the same Mani collab weekend that I'm doing with Sarah from 25 Sweetpeas, so definitely check out our other videos. The links will be in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's get to day 2 of our Mani collab weekend. So today's design is really cute and really simple. All you'll need is a white polish, a black polish, top coat, base coat, and all the other necessities for a cute manicure. So start off with a white base, and you can do this on all your nails actually, but if you wanted to do a black accent nail, you could totally do that as well. And if you haven't guessed already, probably by the thumbnail, we're doing a really cute and aesthetic Cowprint design. I've seen this design everywhere, but I haven't actually done it yet. I think I've done cheetah print and leopard print in the past. I think I've even done tiger and zebra and all kinds of things, but I've never done Cowprint, so here we are doing it today. This is really simple. You don't need any tools. All you'll need is the brush of your black polish. I'm actually using a sparkly one today because I think it's really pretty, and I also don't have a plain black polish at the moment, so I'm just using this, and I'm making very rough shapes on my nails. You can look at other inspiration pics if you need to, so other nail art designs with Cowprint, or you could look up Cowprint, whatever you want to do, and I'm just using that, and I'm kind of staying toward the edges of my nails just to give it a more finished patterned look. And then if you want, you can add some more specks in between the bigger circles or shapes or whatever you're making, because it doesn't have to be perfect. These can be really rough and just not perfect, so that's really easy, and that's it. I decided to do 2 accent nails on this manicure, but if you wanted to do a full set of this pattern, you definitely could, so whatever you like. It's a perfect way to mix and match with some fun designs. So here I'm just finishing off this really cute manicure with a top coat, and you could definitely do this matte if you wanted to, but I decided to do it glossy. I think it looks super cute, and I really like experimenting with different animal print designs on my nails. I think it's a really fun and easy technique, especially if you're getting started with nail art. It's really easy usually, and it's just fun to do. So I really like how this manicure turned out, and I also think it's really nice that it's just so simple. All you need is 2 polishes, no tools, and you're good. And if you're interested in any of the polishes that I showed here today, I will do my best to link them below for you, and if I can't find the exact polish, I'll link one similar. So this was a really fun video to do, and I've got one more design coming tomorrow that I'm actually really excited about, so definitely go subscribe to Sarah's channel and check out her design as well. And yeah, so we're gonna have one more video tomorrow, and then that's it for the weekend. I can't believe it's almost over already. This was super fun, and yeah, I'm just really enjoying it. So if you're new from Sarah's channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and definitely subscribe for new videos. So I will see you tomorrow with another video, same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye!